Hey there, today I'm going to teach you how to edit PowerPoint presentation background. So first we are going to go to PowerPoint and then you open a blank presentation, and after that you would want to go to view, that's on the right top part of the presentation, and then you would want to look for slide master. Once you're on Slide Master, you have to remember that this top part consists all of or it contains all of the edits that you will have to do. So you would want, if you want to change this one, you can go to themes. You edit themes, and you can actually browse for themes and save current theme if you have already, or you can choose whatever presentation theme that you'd like here. Let's say I'll use this blue one, and it'll automatically change the overall presentation. But of course, we can still change colors here. Let's say I'm going to use blue warm or like blue, and then I'm going to change the font to like Century Gothic. Then the effects, I would choose Riblet. In background styles, I can choose different colors like this, like let's say I'm going to use this one, and it already automatically applies to the remaining slides. But don't worry, if you still want to change the slides, you can definitely do that. Just click the slides and then you change, like let's say you change the color into this color, and then the background, you change the background to this. It's totally possible, but remember that it can also apply to the rest of the slides. So that's how you edit the background. If you have any more questions, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you and create a video for you. Bye for now.